Hit him with one time, me and JB Smooth. The Caucasian variety. JB sent me some cigars.
It hits just right, then I'm puffing it, man. His name is Pick. Motherfucking Jimmy, light it up, no gimmicks. Both hands high, two birds for the critics. No gold cuff links, no swirl, no sniffing. Just flame to the leaf. Respect the tradition.
If you don't know JB, well, you should know JB. And he sent me some of the new stuff coming out at Zeal. Quite frankly, I don't remember what it is. And I'm hoping these got labels because they like to do this fun thing at Zeal. They wrap the cigars in newspapers, which I believe is a Cuban thing. I don't know. I'm not a Cubano experto. But. We got some stuff, JB. We're going to talk about it on the channel because that way you get to learn about it and I get to learn about it. But anyway, this is new from Jay Bizzle over at Zeal. So first and foremost, we have, I was going to say the Usher, but like Ursher, you know what I mean? But it's the usurper. It's the usurper right here. We got the usurper right here. And I would open the cigar up. In fact, we will guinea pig this and see if these have bands on them. We got here and we've now realized the answer was no. Here we go. Hold on.
What's going on, YouTube? It's JB from the Zeal Cigar Review, and today I'm super excited. This is probably one of the most excited I've been for a video in a while. I've been working on about 5 different blends at the moment. 2 of them you guys are super aware of. Look, Bradley used to have arguments with me on a regular basis about cigars being better or just as good as the Spice Cream. And time again, the Spice Cream is undefeated.
All right. So this is a Connecticut cigar from Zeal Cigars, and it's supposed to be better than the Spice Cream. If you've had the Spice Cream before, then you would know it tastes like a K-Cup. And some may say also ice cream. I don't know what happened there, but we changed accents several times and we ended up here. So we're just going to keep on going. This is a Connecticut cigar. English was in there somewhere. The Usurper is a new Connecticut offering from Zeal. So here's a sneak peek, a circumcision, if you will. Next up is the William Bradley. Should I try and find information? Fuck. We're gonna cheat. What up, girl?
Hey there, not much, just here and ready to chat. How's it going on your end?
Can you tell me about the William Bradley cigar by Zeal Cigars?
The William Bradley cigar by Zeal Cigars is actually a tribute to Bradley's grandson. It's got a Habano 200 wrapper, a Sumatra binder, and the fillers come from Esteli and Condega in Nicaragua, so it's got a really nice, rich flavor profile.
Oh, shit. I gotta ask JB. I'm asking Jay Bizzle, but there's a Poquito size right here. Now, I've had something from Zeal like this before, and it was the Whiskey Sunrise. And I liked it. And this reminds me of the look and size of the Whiskey Sunrise. But I don't know if that's what this is. So if he responds, I'll let you know. If not, I'll throw a name up on screen. Speaking of... I'm sorry, I'm kicking your ears. Speaking of... JB also sent me a Spice Cream, and I've actually never had a Spice Cream in Parejo. I've only had the box press version, so that's kind of cool. Anyway, also, what's this big dick Rick right here? A fan. This next one is the Capybara. I don't know. And I'm back.
Welcome back. Glad to have you here. What's on your mind now?
The cigar is Cabonado.
The Carbonado cigar is actually a house blend from Zeal Cigars. It's got a really rich flavor profile with notes of coffee, cocoa, and molasses. Definitely a tasty one. Let me know if you'd like any more hefo on it.
No, that'll do. So it's another Zeal house brand. Say the name one more time for me.
Sure thing. It's called the Carbonado cigar, and yep, it's a house blend from Zeal Cigars. Definitely one to check out if you're into those rich flavors.
All right, last but certainly not least is the El Critorizo by who? Oh, El Criolito. I was close. By A. Flores. I got one more for you.
All right. with it whenever you're ready.
I think it's the El Criollito?
El Criollito is a medium-bodied cigar from PDR Cigars. It features an Ecuadorian Criollo 98 wrapper, a Mexican San Andres binder, and fillers from the Dominican Republic and Nicaragua. The flavor notes include cedar, coffee, almonds, and a bit of white pepper. Definitely a nice, complex profile.
Is that made by A. Flores? Because otherwise I said the wrong name.
Yes, El Criollito is indeed associated with A. Flores and PDR Cigars. It's got that Ecuadorian Criollo 98 wrapper, along with the Mexican San Andres binder, and those Dominican and Nicaraguan fillers, giving it that lovely mix of cedar, coffee, almonds, and white pepper flavors. Sounds like a great choice.
And is that spelled Criollito?
Yes, that's correct. It's spelled Criollito. You're all
Danke.
set?
Hold, please. This video is 18 minutes long, and it's me being a moron for 90% of it. That's not JB. That's Chad Jipita. Going back. I'm sending the 3 new ones. A Whiskey Sunset. I was right. Twisted Fate. That's the barber pole! And a very, very Cuban-like Dominican, Abe Flores, of PDR blending for like 5 years to make perfect Dominican Cuban. This is supposed to be the perfect Dominican Cuban. Let me just leak my DMs with Jay Bizzle here. Tell me about the Twisted Fate by Zeal Cigars.
Twisted Fate cigar by Zeal Cigars is a medium to bold house blend. It's a pretty impressive box press cigar measuring 7x60, and it features a combination of Nicaraguan and Dominican fillers. The wrapper is a unique blend of Habano and Maduro tobaccos, giving it a really rich and complex flavor profile. Definitely an interesting one to try.
I don't even know. But anyway, thank you, Jay Bizzle, Zeal Cigars, for the package. I look forward to trying the new cigars, as well as enjoying things like the Whiskey Sunrise, Sunset, Sunrise, Sunset, Sunrise. I smoked that one. We did a live stream. Me and the rest of the Wavy Boys did a live stream shortly after Bradley passed last year. And we all smoked whatever Zeal cigars we had at the time. And I smoked the whiskey on that live. So I will give it a proper review this time. I just lost all of it's gone. So anyway, like this video if you like it. Hopefully you laughed. And see you in the next one.
Let the good times flow, let the conversation grow. Big Jimmy's got the hottest takes to show. From the lounge to the mic, we talk it all. Big cigars, high stakes, we standing tall.